The last step to completely restore this 25th anniversary Trans Am is getting the proper tail lights. This is one of the lights that actually came on this vehicle. And as you can see, not only is it cloudy, it's cracked, it leaks, it gets water in it, and there's delamination where that checkered grid starts to separate from the outer plastic. So I have been in search of a really good set of tail lights. I replaced, obviously, these crappy ones with these here, and they look fantastic. They look really nice when they're all lit up, but yet still not the proper tail light. And I was looking on eBay. Probably the best set on there is about $3,000. Well, I paid $2,500 for this car, for the car itself. So I didn't see spending $3 grand for taillights, and I figured I would wait. And then finally, I saw this. Just bought a whole nother car. Why? Because this one, running and driving, was on Facebook Marketplace for $1,000 with perfect tail lights. And there we go. Got them removed. I put the old broken ones from the 25th anniversary on here. And we will seek a better set of taillights for this one, but at least now the 25th would be perfect. Time to show Caitlin her new taillights. Hey girl, look what I got for you. There are 5 of these retainer clips. First one is back in here on the corner, and then 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those are a lot easier to get to because they're right here. Keep it from falling out. Do not want to scratch this paint. 2,